guys, tapos na yung Maxxis group ride. Andito tayo ngayon sa event ng Maxxis. And then bago tayo pumasok sa loob, we're going to bike check the bike of Rain Bagaporo, ng isa sa tropa nating rider from Pampanga at fellow Factor Philippines rider.
Morning! Yes, the frame is the Factor Autobahn Crisp Chrome Edition. Tinatawag nilang Rhino. So, may mga Rhino marking siya. And the wheel set is also a limited edition Hyper
Loon.
It's a
By Winspace, no?
yes. And ride bike edition.
Okay.
And the wheel set is a Dura-Ace Grand Speed.
Okay. About the cockpit. The cockpit is
The cockpit is a black ink with
wow head unit.
Yes.
What's the dimension of the
It's a 38 by 90.
90? Okay.
And the saddle is a
Cel San Marco.
Cel San Marco.
Okay. Anong size nung crank?
The crank is 170, 50 to 36.
Nice, okay.
And the cob ratio is 1134.
1134. So, ano masasabi mo sa ride feel? Comparing it with the old Autobahn, ano masasabi mo sa ride feel niya, especially on the climbs?
Point ko muna yung sa flats.
Okay.
At yung version na to is much faster. I feel much faster with the old version.
Because it has the aero capabilities, right? Doon sa ano, doon sa frame niya, no?
And the climb is fast. It's fast.
Right.
Yun lang masasabi ko, it's fast on the climb.
Okay. Oh, bati ka na sa mga subscribers natin.
Okay, hello everyone. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Maxxis Rides. Binabati ko yung mga subscribers mo. Chef, just click and share this video.
Yeah. Tsaka ano, Instagram, ano yung IG mo, tsaka Facebook?
Yung IG ko is RH Bagaporo.
Yeah. Oh, shoutout CF Cycling Performance and Factor Philippines.
So, pinashoutout ko nga pala yung Self Cycling Performance and Factor Philippines. Especially yung pedal lane na nagbuo ng bike.